If you be searching for free motion graphic tools with ready-made templates, not those fake AI generators that force you to pay money for you to use them, this particular video is going to simply save you a lot of hours. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you 10 real websites where you can actually create motion graphics, customize this template, and export the videos free of charge without paying a dime. Alright, most YouTube videos out there recommend tools that are either paid or not actually motion graphics, alright? But in this video, I tested and also selected platforms that can actually help you create professional motion graphics like the ones you can see on my screen right now. These ones right here were all generated with this particular tool right here, and I didn't pay any dime, alright? I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use them, customize them, and also export the videos. By the end of this video, you will know where to get free motion graphics templates, how to customize them easily, and also how to create professional animations for YouTube, Reels, or ads. Okay, so if you're ready for this journey, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and also let me know where you're watching from so I can actually make more videos that work well in your own country. All right, remember this platform which I'm going to be showing you right here are all worldwide. But without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. So the first tool on this video list is Capwin AI. Okay, this is a website that can actually help you generate and also create AI motion graphics. It has thousands of free animated video templates you can actually customize for your video editing and lots more. Okay, so on this video platform you can actually get access to lower text, intros, animated text, and logos. Okay, once you're on this platform, just click on this make motion graphics. Then you have to simply go ahead and add your prompt right here. Once you add your prompt, you click on the generate button. This is going to simply generate this motion graphics for you. Okay, remember, for this to work for you, you need to actually go ahead and create your account. The second website that you can actually use to generate your motion graphics right now in 2020 for free is Imaging.art. Okay, so this is a platform where you can actually use to generate your motion graphics images, and the best part is that this particular one right here is also an AI tool which can actually help generate motion graphics with a simple prompt. Okay, so you can show right here, this is a prompt I've already added. If you click on this generate button, this is going to simply start generating this motion graphics just right now. Okay, just go ahead and click on the sign up button. Once your account is registered, you can actually give a prompt for it to generate a simple motion graphic designs for you. Alright, and the best part is that you can actually use this for any type of video editing, any niche of your choice. It's going to simply work for you perfectly on this same platform. Alright, so the next platform where you can actually use to generate motion graphics right now in 2020 for free is Hero.com. This is one of the motion graphics tools that I like so much, and I use this particular one right here a lot for most of my automated YouTube channels and a lot more. Okay, on this platform you're going to get thousands of free animated motion presets, okay, and scenes you can actually customize for intros, for text reviews, and transitions. Right, so this is going to simply be easier for you to actually navigate. It's going to simply help you a lot if you run a social media platform like TikTok, like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Reels. Alright, these are some presets you can actually customize for yourself. You can add, you can replace this stuff right here with your images. You can replace these animations right here with your own image or your text. Okay, you can download that straight to your phone storage or your laptop storage, okay, and use it for your video editing and a lot more. Okay, and that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so they have a lot of niches right here. If you run social media marketing, e-commerce, startup, typography, fashion, this is going to simply work for you. Okay, so all you need to do is simply click on any one. You're going to see the one that matches with your niche. Okay, you can actually create a new custom template for your own brand. Okay, then use your brand color, brand typography, and also add your brand logo. You can animate the brand logo as well. Okay, so the next platform you can actually use right now to create motion graphics right now with AI is AutoAE, and this one right here, I know most of you knows about this one. They have both free version and also pro version. Okay, you can use the free version to animate things and also use the pro version to spice things up. Okay, so all you need to do is simply come back to this video section right here. This is AutoAE.online. all right, so this platform right here is going to simply help you to create custom motion graphics for your video editing. So if you come to this section right here, they have a lot of templates you can actually customize for yourself. Okay, so once you insert your own footage, it could be your thumbnail, or could be your logo, it could be your graphics you've already designed with Canva, or your text. Okay, once you add that, go ahead and export it as your own. All right, this platform has a lot of templates for every niche. Okay, all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up your account. Once your account is registered on this video platform, you start using this particular platform to do your editings. All right, so for instance, if you want to use any of these brandings right here, so for instance, if you want to use this or this, all you need to do is simply click on it. You're going to see right here we have visual styles, categories, use cases. Okay, you're going to see many stuff, some of that template on this video section. So you have to simply play it first. If it resonates with what you want to do, then you can actually use that. Okay, just click on the one you want, then this is going to simply take you to to the section where you can actually design this. Okay, you can see this customize button right here. You just need to click on this customize, and it's going to simply take you to the video editing section. Okay, where you have to simply add all the text for yourself. Okay, you can see right here we have make motion. Okay? So this is basically how you can actually create your own motion graphics, and click on the download button. The next one on this video is you have Jitter AI. This AI tool is going to simply help you to generate motion graphics of any type. Okay, they have over 1000 plus fully customizable motion graphics templates. Okay, like logo, animated cards, loaders, social rules, text, and lot more. Okay, so you can customize most of this stuff for yourself in this very section and export it and download it. And with this, you're going to simply be able to spice up your videos. So the next platform on this video list, we have the Pippit.ai motion graphic design. All right, so this is it right here. If you come to this section, you're going to see this one right here is basically going to simply help you generate full detailed motion graphic. Okay, and this one right here is going to simply give you more longer video. Okay, so this one right here is going to simply help you design whatever thing you want to design. Okay, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add the image. So the next platform on this video list that can actually help you create motion graphics right now in 2026 is the Freepik.com video template. This platform right here is known for royalty-free images and videos. Okay, where you can actually download royalty-free images and videos for your video editing. But right now they added a motion graphic template that you can actually customize for yourself, from intros to titles, from titles to infographics, and also for social media. All right, so all you need to do right now is simply click the one you want. For instance, I want to go for social media. I want to spice up my social media, animations, and a lot more. All I need to do is simply go ahead and click on this social media section right here. It's going to simply take you to this very section right here. Okay, so don't panic, because you're seeing these crown logos right here. This means this stuff right here are basically not for free. All you need to do is simply change it and filter to the ones that are free. Okay, by coming onto this very section that says premium, then select free version. All right, just click on this free. You're going to see this is going to simply change totally for the free versions, which you can already customize. And the best part is that the free versions right here are all 100% premium. All right, they're all premium and also cool. Okay, so you cannot actually detect the ones that are free and also the ones that are paid. Okay, but this one right here are all good. You can actually customize it for yourself, both the text, the animations. You can actually download this stuff for yourself and use that for your video editing, for your social media, and a lot more. Okay, so the next platform on this video list, this is motionarray.com. all right, so this is a platform that has over 10,000 plus free templates you can actually customize for yourself. It could be animated text, templates, transitions, overlays, and lower third, and use them for your video editing. And the best part is that once you're done customizing the ones you want, you have to simply go ahead, download it, and save it to your device. Okay, and that's going to simply help you spice up your video editing and also spice up your content. Okay, so the next on this video list, we have motion element. Okay, so go over to motionelement right here.com. You're going to see right here they have lots of motion after effects template. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and use that for yourself. Remember, you can use simple video editing platforms or applications like CapCut, InShot, and get this done for yourself. Okay, all you need to do is simply customize the whole stuff right here on the browser section. Add the stuff you want to add, then download it and go to your CapCut and add it as an overlay to your video. That's going to simply spice up everything. All right, so the 10th one on this video list, you have the Visme.co. okay, so this platform right here is going to simply help you to generate motion graphic for YouTube intros, YouTube titles, animations, for YouTube automations, and a lot more. Okay, and the best part is that this platform is 100% free of charge. You can get intro template, okay, and a lot more. So if you click on this view more template, you're going to see more templates you can actually go ahead and customize for yourself on this video platform. And the best part is that it is free of charge. You're not required to pay anything. Okay, that's the 10th one on this video list, and these are the top 10 free motion graphic generators you can actually use right now in 2026. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and try them out yourself. And also, I've already created a motion graphic pack, so if you want me to send you that particular pack, just let me know in the comment section so I can actually go ahead and send it to you. If you want to learn how to actually use AI to actually build a business, build a blog, monetize your blog, go ahead and check out this Cloudy AI video right here showing you on your screen. It's going to simply help you. See you in that very video. Don't go anywhere.